When you start your videos, you could be making mistakes that are causing people to click away from your videos. For example, if you log into your YouTube channel and you go and you look at your video reports and you see something like this, you're doing at least one of these things. But it's okay. From now on, after you watch this video, we're gonna make sure that that doesn't happen. First, when a viewer comes into your video, every second counts. So because of that, don't waste time with things like in this video or in today's video or, hey guys, today we're gonna talk about. The problem with saying those things is when someone first comes into the video and they're trying to make that decision on, hey, did I make the right choice here? You're wasting their time on things that don't matter to them. For example, if you have a fishing channel, you do not want to start your videos with, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you some fishing tips that are going to help you catch more fish. On the surface, that sounds okay, but if you want people watching your videos for a longer period of time, do something like this. You could be catching a lot more fish, but you're probably using the wrong bait. Let me explain. Or if somebody had a gardening channel, instead of saying something like, hey, I'm Nick, everybody's favorite gardener, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to keep the bugs off of your crops. Don't do that in the video yet. Instead, start your video and get to the point with something like, if bugs keep eating your greens and other crops, I'm going to tell you how to fix it once and for all. Or, and this is the last example that I'm going to give for this particular point, just to kind of drive it in. Or if you have a gaming channel, instead of starting your video like, hey guys, today we're going to be playing GTA 5, so make sure you get buckled in because it's going to get crazy. That doesn't tell the viewer anything outside of the game that you're playing. Instead, say something like, today we're playing GTA 5 and we're seeing how high we can get our body count. Last time we got it up to 20 within a 10-minute period, so we're going to see if we can beat that today. Let's go. Do you see how different that is? Not only do I tell them what game that we're playing, but there's also a challenge attached to it, so it instantly makes it more interesting. So it's not like, hey, we're just playing this. It's like, hey, we're playing this, but then we're also trying to do this very specific thing. Let's see if we can do it or not. That approach makes it instantly more interesting. The approach that we're trying to take here is when the viewer comes into the video initially, we want to make sure that we're giving them exactly what it is that they need as fast as we can possibly give it to them to hold their attention and let them know that this video is going to matter to them in some way. We're trying to scrape away all the fluff and make it so that when somebody comes into the video, there's as much impact as possible. Now, another really important part of this whole thing when it comes to starting your videos is it's also important to make sure that you are thinking about your thumbnail and your title and how those are creating an expectation for the viewer before they come into the video. So if you can think of what that expectation might be for the people that you're trying to reach with your content, and you think to yourself, okay, if somebody sees this on YouTube's homepage and they click on it and they come into my video, in that case, what might they be expecting to hear or see when my video first starts? Try to give them that. It's not going to be your name. It's not going to be your credentials. It's not going to be your tagline. It needs to be something that matters to the viewer as quickly as possible. Next, I know you want to get subscribers. I know you want to get likes on your videos, just like I do. Go ahead. You don't want to ask for that thing at the very beginning of the video before the viewer even gets settled into the video. You want to make sure that you're delivering content first before you drop in any call to action to remind somebody to subscribe or like your video. Okay, so now let's talk about if you are doing any type of storytelling in your content and your videos need to be that type of structure. In that particular case, then of course you do still need to say something impactful when the video first starts, but it needs to be related to your story in some way. So instead of wrapping it around the value that somebody might get out of the video, it would be a way to grab their attention in an impactful way to pull them into the story that you're getting ready to tell. But regardless of the type of content that you're making, the whole idea is to make sure that when somebody first comes into the video, that everything is about them, because what you're trying to do is grab their attention right there. And if you can grab their attention there, then you're going to be able to keep them watching your videos for a longer period of time, obviously. So because of that, in your scripts, or if you write bullet points, or even if you're freestyle, you want to make sure that you are removing any type of filler type of information from the beginning of your videos, and that you're just getting right into something that matters to the viewer. If you can take just a little bit of extra time when you're putting your videos together to do that, you're going to get people watching your videos for a longer period of time, and you're going to get people enjoying your content a lot more, which is ultimately going to help your videos do better on YouTube. And by the way, if you are new to YouTube, or if when you publish videos, things just aren't going the way that you would like them to go yet, I really recommend that you watch this video right here. It's going to teach you a ton about making thumbnails and writing effective titles and even coming up with great video ideas. Go ahead and click into that now, and I'll see you over there in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.